just got it, guys. Just arrived. Brand new work permit authorization in the Kingdom of Thailand. I am good till October 2025. This one started in 2020, so we now have 5 years of work authorization in this one book. Let's get to the information inside the video. Thanks for watching. Let's go. You down with TTT? Okay guys, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to cover the process that I have just went through to get my brand new renewal of my work permit for additional 2 years. So this information can directly apply to anyone in any province in Thailand that's dealing with the Ministry of Labor. So I hope you find the information very helpful. I had to cover up the documents in the video with icons and stuff just so that we're not revealing all the private details of our business, our employees, and that kind of stuff, right? So you're going to see the entire application process with Alisa. We're going to go through the documents, but the documents are going to be covered so that they're not able to be captured, okay? But you'll still get the whole idea of the process, and that's why I wanted to bring you this video. I wanted to wait until the work permit was actually authorized by the Ministry of Labor, which it is. We are good to go until 2025. Okay guys, let me introduce you to Alisa. Okay guys, this is the entire work permit application. I've always used Alisa. She did my initial work permit application for our business, and now she's done, this will be the second renewal, so this will make a total of 5 years in this one work permit book. Alisa also does our business registration every year. I don't use her for visa assistance simply because I do my own visa. But that's it guys, the full application. This is just the work permit. Today guys, I am renewing my work permit, my work authorization in Thailand. And you have to have a business that's connected to, and my wife and I have the business, so I'm part shareholder. And we have all the papers for the registration of our business through the DBD, all of our licensing and all that kind of stuff. And then this is my helper, Miss Alisa, and Alisa takes care of everything for us. She does all the business registration for us, and now she's preparing all the documents that we will take to the Ministry of Labor to get another 2 years of work permit. Chai?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you this paperwork, guys. So, like everything else in Thailand,
Yeah, this is the
document
of
DBD, Chai Mai?
Yeah, like,
company.
company
What is
certificate.
DBD? Department of Business Division?
Yes.
Yeah, Department of Business Division. So you have to have your company registered with the DBD.
Yeah, so this is a certificate of document.
Okay, certificate of that.
This is like the shareholder. We call Ba Ajaha.
The shareholder, which I'm 47%. Nam Yen's the big boss because she have majority. Chai Mai?
Yes. And this is a, we call Papa Suning.
Papa Sun Moon.
Yeah, it's like to prove that you pay tax for last year.
Okay,
Company.
all of my taxes for the company for last year.
Yes.
Okay. What
And
else?
this one is a Social Security Fund. for-
Social Security. So this is on the employees, Chai Mai?
Yes, yes.
And
For
because I'm on a marriage visa, I only have to have 2 employees. So
Correct.
2 employees showing Social Security insurance every
Yes.
month. Shall I?
Yes, and you have to show them that is the last 3 months before you process with
The last
renewal.
3 months before the application.
Yes.
Okay, very important. Wow.
And
Okay.
then this is annual
Anun.
tax annual for the company for
Oh,
last year.
okay.
Normally we have to show the annual income to the government every years.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is annual from the last year.
So it's the entire year, and you got this from my accountant, Chai Mai? Okay. The yearly tax return. So like your annual filing of the taxes with the revenue department.
Yes.
Okay, so like the IRS. Okay, proof of the whole year of taxes.
Yes.
Okay, but there is an audit somewhere too, right? Because the accountant
Yep.
does an audit.
Have to have prepared by accountant because they have to sign signification on that.
Okay, okay.
The person who gonna prepare this need to have accounting license.
I have a licensed accountant, and you already went to her office and got all of the records, Chai Mai? But the licensed accountant has to sign.
Yep.
Okay, okay. And what's this number 30?
Pop 30 is about the document for recall VAT. When you buy something or sell something or do business, you have to pay 7%.
Oh, okay. So it's the sales tax, Chai Mai?
Yes.
VAT tax. Is it VAT? Yeah, VAT.
VAT.
Oh, okay, VAT. VAT. Okay, VAT tax. Okay.
So,
And then Yin has to
this is,
sign off.
Yeah, this one is Nam Yen or the authorized people who have authorized the power to sign on, which is Nam Yen.
Okay.
And now because it's still
And I only have to sign like the power of attorney.
and this is go to your part for the work permit.
Oh, the history of the work permit.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is we call WP5.
Okay.
Tata 5.
SOTA 5. Okay.
Yeah, so
Form number 5.
I have to fill up everything like
The dates and all of the issuance of the work permit.
yes.
Okay.
And then you have to sign on it, and this is like employment certification.
Oh,
That is,
okay.
which is open mic have to file,
Okay.
and then Nam Yen have to sign in here.
Okay.
Okay. It's like
Because I'm working for her, basically, right?
Yes,
I'm
she
her
is the
employee.
boss.
Yes, she is the big boss. Xavi is the big boss.
and because I will go there, so you have to give the power of
I give her the authority to, I grant her the power of attorney to submit the things for me.
Yes,
Okay.
and other is like the all work permit if you already have, and your visa, your
So
passport.
copies of my passport, all that,
Yes, copy and passport and copy of visa.
and copy of the work permit.
Yeah, copy and the work permit and the original work permit too, because you will get the result within 3 days. So when I hand the document to them, I have to put this
In there,
together.
so they will
Yes.
put the new stamp. This is the original one that has a photo of me, and that's my first year. And then they stamp it for 2 more years after the original. And now you'll get another stamp down here, Chai Mai, for 2 more years.
Yes.
But it all stays in the same book.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, Nam Yen, sign everything. You're the big boss.
And don't forget this health certificate.
Oh yes, I had to go to Bangkok Hospital, and have
Because
my blood checked. They check for elephant foot,
yeah,
syphilis, and then they do a physical exam, check your heart rate, all that kind of stuff. So
and you have to go to the only hospital that have contract with government, because they have exactly form. You
Okay.
cannot go to like a general clinic or something like that.
okay, remember that, guys. If you get your health certificate for your work permit authorization, you have to go to a hospital that works directly with the government. You cannot just go to a clinic. It was easy to do. Maybe 1 hour. It wasn't that long of a wait to get everything done.
Make sure you not hard drink at night before you go to check the blood.
Yes, they check your blood for alcohol. Exactly. And then they question me. The doctor asked me if I drink, if I smoke, all that, if I take medicine. Okay, guys, that's basically it. That's the details of what you need to do to keep your work authorization in legal status every year. And I expire October 22,
Yeah.
so you have about 15 days.
Yes.
So, but she will turn all this in Ministry of Labor.
Yes.
Only one office, right?
Yep.
Only dealing with Ministry of Labor. There's nothing to do with immigration
Not
or anything.
Only if you are on the business visa.
If you're on the business visa, then all of this is connected to your visa, and you
Yeah.
do the visa work too, right?
Yes.
So if you need a business visa, even set up your own company.
Or any issue while you're living in Thailand, if you need help to deal with government, to deal with hospital, or your personal life that needs somebody to consult, you can contact me. Send them
Okay, you can contact Miss Alisa. I will share her contact information, her Facebook page, or you guys can always just send me a message and I'll put you in contact with Alisa. So if you're a foreigner, you're living in Rayong province, you only deal with Rayong. Only Rayong province, guys. So if you live anywhere in Rayong province, you need assistance, somebody that's fluent in English, knows how to work with any government agency, or like she said, even hospital affairs, things like that. That's what she's here for. She's a personal assistant and she works one-on-one with her clients. So there's no misunderstanding. And then you don't have to run to the government office yourself. You sign everything and she takes care of it. Thank you, Miss Alisa.
Thank you, Ka. And feel free to contact me anytime. I will be your personal assistant.
I highly recommend, Alisa, guy. Highly recommend. This is the way to do it. Take care of your business registration, your work permit registration, or any technical things that you need to do with Thai government or even Thai hospitals. Alisa is highly recommended because she's honest. Her English is fluent, so there's no misunderstandings. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ka.
Much, Alisa.
Okay, Ka.
She's going to take all the documents to the Ministry of Labor today, this afternoon, and hopefully I'll get my new work permit back by the end of the week.
Yeah, next week.
Next week, yeah, next week. Yeah, it's already Thursday. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Look in the description box. Her Facebook business page will be in the link. Thank you.
Thank you, Ka.
Well, peace and love to everyone.
Bye-bye.
Well, okay, guys, that's a wrap on the video. I hope you enjoyed the information. Like was stated in the video, Alisa only helps foreigners that are living in Rayong province, but I'm sure you could find the same type of personal assistant within your area of Thailand. So that's what I would recommend. I really like having more of a personal assistant than an agency per se. Up to you, as they say in Thailand, lao da. Up to you. Maybe you just never want to work in Thailand. You want to just come here with your retirement visa or your elite retirement, whatever kind of retirement visa status that you want to use in Thailand, and you never are going to ask for permission or authorization from the Ministry of Labor for work because you came to Thailand to retire. Your retirement visa in your passport clearly states prohibited from employment, right? So, but there are other options, as you can see in the video. Contact Alisa in the link, guys, in the description box, and I'll also pin it on the first comment underneath the video. You can contact her directly on that Facebook business page, send private message, and she'll be able to help you with any and all information here in Rayong that pertains to foreigners needing to get things done with government, whether it's hospitals or immigration or Ministry of Labor or the DBD business registration stuff. So I highly recommend her, and you guys know I wouldn't do that if I didn't think she was honest and fair. Alright guys, that's a wrap, man. I just wanted to say that in the closing of the video, there's a lot of benefit long term if you are work authorized by the Ministry of Labor in your province. Pay your income taxes on the minimum salaries that are required depending on what visa you hold. Again, I'm on the non-O family visa, so they really give me a break on the level of income tax, the level of income required, okay, and only 2 Thai employees for 1 work permit farang versus 4 Thai employees if you're doing it on a business visa. But I mean, if you're doing it on a business visa, you probably got multiple employees, whether it's a restaurant or a customer service business or whatever you're doing, right? So the long-term benefits after you've got a record of paying the income tax, which guys is so inexpensive. I mean, we're talking $65–70 a month income tax on myself, okay, on average. So it's not really expensive to do any of this stuff. I told you 6,000 baht for the government fee for the work permit, and then Alisa's fee, right? And I can't give you the details on the fee because it depends on your visa, it depends on what you're wanting to do. But you know, like I said in the video earlier, she's extremely fair, so you're not going to overpay for these services, right? But a long-term benefit, you know, I'm getting ready to apply for my permanent resident status in Thailand. For those of you that don't know, that's the same thing as a green card in America. So, you know, you're no longer considered a non-immigrant, you're considered a permanent resident, right? So I will no longer have to do visas, no longer have to do 90-day reporting. Like, there's a lot of benefits if and when I get my permanent resident status. But in order to apply for permanent resident status, I needed this record of income tax, right, paid in, business registration, shareholder, all the stuff that you saw in the video. So I just wanted to throw that in at the close. It's not just you know, getting the work permit so that you can be visibly employed in Thailand and not have to worry about anything, but the long-term benefits are you're paying into the system, you've got an accountant, you get audited every year on all of your finances, right? So it's all on record, and Thailand is really, really good digital records, right? So I know everything I've done with the 5 years of this current work permit and everything I did previously with work permits for the Royal Thai Army and high schools, government high schools in Thailand. That's all on record too, right? The difference is when you're working for a big employer that has lots of Thai employees, so you're talking 1,000 Thais to one, they're not required to pay taxes and stuff. They're exempt. So if you're working for a large company, depending on, you know, especially if you're working for Thai government like I did, then they're exempt. So I didn't have an income tax record, even though I had work permit record, right? So that's a benefit of starting your own company and getting your own accountant. You're in control of all the documentation that you're going to need should you ever decide to file for permanent resident status. And then after that, sky's the limit. You know, you could become a Thai citizen, you know, depending on your language skills and that kind of stuff. So just wanted to throw that in to close. I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace, love to everyone. Triple T signing out, man. I hope you're still exercising. Some of us are very limited on the amount of exercise we can do. You know, I've got a lot of back problems, and so short walks, whatever you can do. But I hope you're still motivated to try to remain, you know, as healthy as possible. Thanks for watching.